morning. I am Karthikeyan from CPA College. I am assistant professor in chemistry department. So today discuss about water technology. So water technology, so you know that water is important for all. Here discuss about water technology means the water contains various harness producing salts. So these harness producing salts should be removed by this technology is called water technology. Here uh, discuss about the first one is harness of water. The harness of water, water contains there is two types of harness. One is called a temporary harness, another one is called permanent harness. But here how to take the harness, that is here discussed here. Uh, Water which does not produce lather with soap solution, it is called hard water. Hard water contains calcium and magnesium salts, particularly bicarbonate, carbonate, sulfate, chloride. These salts should be present. So how will you identify the hardness in water? Uh, that is the test for here. The formation of hard water. The hard water is formed due to the presence of minerals like calcium and magnesium salts. They cannot remove separated by sedimentation or filtration technique. When hard water react with the soap solution, and it's converted into cardiac white precipitate. For example, sodium stearic acid, sodium stearate is react with the calcium chloride. It gives calcium stearate. Okay, it is a precipitate. The precipitate should be removed, and there is a sodium chloride should be found. Okay, so the hard water react with the sodium salts. So that is the stearic acid to form calcium stearate and magnesium stearate. So the calcium stearate and magnesium stearate are insoluble in water, so they are removed. And temporary harness. Temporary harness is there are two types of harness already you know that. One is temporary harness, another one is permanent harness. Temporary harness is removed. There is the presence of calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate salts. These salts should be removed by simply boiling of water. So when boiling the water, the bicarbonate salt is converted into carbonate salts. The carbonate salts should be precipitated, and the insoluble precipitate should be filtered and removed. And a temporary harness can be also removed by adding lime. Adding lime means that the calcium hydroxide should be added. The calcium bicarbonate is converted into calcium carbonate. The precipitate also removed. And a permanent harness. Permanent harness producing salts. There are two types of salts: calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride. These salts are producing permanent harness. The permanent harness should be eliminated by there are two types of techniques. One is called water softening technique, and lime soda process, and various processes are there: geolite process, ion exchange resins, and reverse osmosis techniques. Here that that is a degree of harness discuss about. What is degree of harness? Here the harness should be measured by, there is a unit is called ppm, that is a parts per million. But the degree of harness is expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. The calcium carbonate molecular weight is 100, the equivalent weight is 50. So it is a whole number. Okay, that's why calcium carbonate is used to measure the hardness of water. Okay, the degree of hardness is equal to strength of substance producing hardness into chemical equivalent of calcium carbonate into 2 divided by chemical equivalent of hardness producing substance into 2. Okay, that is degree of hardness. So the unit of hardness, here various units are there. One is called parts per million, ppm. Another one is milligrams per liter. Another one is a degree Clark. Another one is degree French, and that is a unit of hardness.